Hello everybody. So let me show you the template preview. So if I click here view final step, so this is the opt-in page you will get. So see, this is looking so professional. After filling these details, they will redirect to this thank you page. This is the thank you page and this is the email opt-in page. This is very simple. And see, this is so professional. And if I need to show you the mobile preview, then if I just click here right click and then inspect, and you can see the mobile preview. It's also fully 100% responsive on the mobile devices. So yeah, that's the preview of this email opt-in page. And here you can see this is the thank you page, and it is also fully responsive on the mobile devices. Now if you want to get these templates for free of cost, then what you need to do, you just need to click the first link on the descriptions below, then you will redirect to this page, and then you have to just click here free templates, and then you need to just scroll down below. Then here you can see this is the template. Now just click here download, and then you will come to this Gumroad page. Now what you have to do, you just need to put here 0 and then click here I want this, and then put here 0 and then just click here get. So you will come to this content page, and here you just need to click here import the template. Just click over here and it will automatically import it into your system.io final tab. See, it's just in progress. Now let's reload the page and see it's successfully imported over here. Now if I click here, then see this is the email opt-in page. Just come over here, and if I just open this funnel, and here you got the thank you page. If I just open this, then see 100% same to same. So yep everybody, this way you can get the template for free of cost. And if you need more templates, just come to this page, and here I will share all the free resources and all the new templates I will just create, and I will upload it over here. So make this website bookmark. So yep everybody, that's it for this particular video. Thank you for watching, and keep watching our more videos.